Hey there, curious minds! We're diving into some mind-blowing facts that you probably didn't know. Get ready to have your mind blown. We're talking about things that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about the world around us. From the depths of space to the intricate workings of nature, prepare to be amazed. So strap yourselves in, get ready for a wild ride, and let's explore the wonders of the universe together. Have you ever wondered about the shelf life of honey? I mean, it's pretty sticky stuff, right? Well, get this, honey never spoils. That's right. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. And guess what? It's still edible. How is this possible, you ask? Well, honey has a unique chemical composition that makes it inhospitable to bacteria and other microorganisms. It's incredibly low in moisture and has a high sugar content, creating a hypertonic environment that draws water out of any bacteria that dare to enter, effectively killing them. Plus, honey contains an enzyme called glucose oxidase that produces hydrogen peroxide, a natural antiseptic. Talk about a superpower. So the next time you reach for that jar of honey, remember, you're holding a food source that's practically immortal. It's a testament to nature's incredible ability to preserve and protect. Okay, get ready for this one because it's a real head-scratcher. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. I know, it sounds like I'm pulling your leg, but it's true. You see, in botany, a berry is defined as a fruit that develops from a single flower with one ovary and contains multiple seeds. Now, a banana might not look like your typical berry, but it fits the bill perfectly. It develops from a single ovary, and if you slice open a banana, you'll notice tiny black specks. Those are actually immature seeds. Strawberries, on the other hand, develop from a flower with multiple ovaries, and those little seeds on the outside are actually individual fruits called achenes. So, there you have it. It's enough to make you question everything you thought you knew about fruits, but hey, that's the beauty of science, always full of surprises. Chapter 3. Octopuses. 3 hearts. Full of love. Octopuses are already some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth, with their 8 arms, incredible intelligence, and ability to change color. But did you know that these cephalopods also have 3 hearts? It's true. 2 of their hearts, called branchial hearts, are responsible for pumping blood through their gills, where it picks up oxygen. The 3rd heart, the systemic heart, then circulates this oxygenated blood to the rest of the body to provide energy for all those amazing octopus activities. Scientists believe that having 3 hearts helps octopuses to maintain their active lifestyles and compensate for the fact that their blood is copper-based, which doesn't carry oxygen as efficiently as our iron-based blood. So next time you see an octopus, remember that beneath that squishy exterior beats not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. Chapter 4. A day longer than a year on Venus. Time is a funny thing, especially when you're talking about Venus. You see, on Venus, a day is actually longer than a year. I know it sounds completely bonkers, but it all comes down to how we define a day and a year. A day is the time it takes a planet to rotate once on its axis, while a year is the time it takes a planet to complete one orbit around the Sun. Now Venus rotates incredibly slowly on its axis, taking a whopping 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. However, it zips around the Sun relatively quickly, completing an orbit in just 225 Earth days. So, there you have it, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It's a mind-boggling concept, but it's just another example of the incredible diversity of our solar system. Chapter 5. More stars than grains of sand. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place, filled with more stars than we can possibly imagine. In fact, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts on Earth combined. It's a number so large that it's almost impossible to comprehend. To put it into perspective, scientists estimate that there are approximately 100 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. That's a 1 followed by 22 zeros. And keep in mind that this is just an estimate based on what we can currently observe. The actual number of stars in the universe could be even greater. So the next time you're gazing up at the night sky, remember that each twinkling point of light represents a distant sun, and for many of those suns, there are likely planets orbiting them, just like our own solar system. It's a humbling thought that reminds us of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Stay curious. Thanks for joining us on this journey through some truly mind-blowing facts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. There's so much more to explore in this incredible universe of ours, so keep those questions coming and never stop learning. Remember, science is all about asking questions, seeking answers, and being open to new possibilities. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, so get out there, explore, and never lose your sense of curiosity. Until next time, stay curious.